To test the Wedge-Loc's ability to maintain secure, stable attachment to the tree under the most adverse conditions, the section of metal pipe is sprayed down with WD-40 and is then smeared with snow. The rigging harness is then secured about the pipe. The Brute has been rigged directly beneath the Scout and approximately 2 feet off the ground. The Yale 1-ton chainfall, bearing its load of 5 50-pound bags or 250 pounds of softener salt, remains suspended from the testing apparatus in its offset position. Using the chainfall, the 250-pound load is raised to a height of 36 inches or 3 feet and is positioned so that it is squarely above the Brute's platform. As the cord connecting the 250-pound load is severed, the salt falls, impacting the tree stand with a force and energy far greater than imparted by the resting weight of 250 pounds. The Chippewa Wedge-Loc Brute tree stand was able to absorb that tremendous force and energy and still maintain its secure attachment to the tree. And although it did sustain some deformation of the platform, the Brute remained structurally sound, its integrity uncompromised. To prepare for the test, the Wedge-Loc is rigged on the still slick section of metal pipe. The testing apparatus, from which the Yale 1-ton chainfall is suspended, has been attached so that the boot heels overhang the edge of the platform perimeter along the side. This positioning will test the Wedge-Loc's stability as weight is applied to an area whereat most tree stands are susceptible to kicking out. The chainfall's hoisting straps have been secured to the trailer hitch of a 3,600-pound Jeep Cherokee. The Chippewa Wedge-Loc and testing apparatus are monitored as the chainfall is used to gradually raise the rear end of the Cherokee until the rear wheels are completely off the ground and able to freely spin. As the weight of the vehicle is transferred from the ground to the tree stand, the side of the stand bearing that weight flexes slightly downward. The forces being applied to the tree stand platform extend to the saddle portion, and the pressure exerted by one of the rubber pads causes the metal pipe to dimple inward. As the weight of the Cherokee's rear end is transferred to the tree stand, the patented Wedge-Loc design causes the stand to increasingly tighten against the tree. The strength of the Chippewa Wedge-Loc in bearing a static weight load of over 1,000 pounds is undoubtable. That the Chippewa Wedge-Loc can support that weight when it is suspended offset from the side of its platform while maintaining rock-solid, incredibly stable attachment to a slick metal pipe is phenomenal. No structural deformation or damage was sustained by the tree stand as a result of this test. The preceding dynamic and static tests were extreme examples performed on our heavy-duty Chippewa Brute and Chippewa Wedge-Loc models. All Chippewa Wedge-Loc tree stands are overbuilt and underrated. However, our lightweight line of tree stands are not designed to withstand the extreme abuse you just witnessed.